Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the quantifiers some, any, and enough. Let's get started. Remember that quantifiers are adjectives and adverbial phrases that give approximate or specific answers to the questions how much and how many. Have a look at the example over here. Sorry, but there isn't much left for you to do here. Note that the word much in the sentence is a quantifier, and it tells us how much work is left to do. Now, to answer the questions how much and how many, certain quantifiers can be used with countable nouns, such as chairs, apples, while others can be used with uncountable nouns, such as tea and money. Have a look at the examples below. How many cousins do you have? Note that cousins is a countable noun. And in this sentence, how much money did you spend? Money is uncountable. Now we use some and any when we are talking about limited but rather indefinite numbers or quantities. In general, we use some for affirmative sentences and any for negatives and questions, but both can be used with countable and uncountable nouns. Have a look at the examples over here. Jane bought some flowers. Note that we use some in an affirmative sentence. And in this sentence, did Jane buy any flowers? No, she didn't buy any. First sentence is a question. And the second, negative. Note that some can be used for questions, typically offers and requests, if we think the answer will be positive. Have a look at the example over here. Would you like some tea? Note that we ask this question using some when we think the answer will be positive. Yes, I would like some tea. Also note that any can be used in the meaning of it doesn't matter which. Have a look at the example over here. You can take any bus. They all go to the center. Meaning, it doesn't matter which bus you take. Now we use enough to indicate sufficiency, while in negative sentences, it means less than sufficient or less than necessary. Have a look at the examples below. I'll take your t-shirt. It's big enough to fit me. Now, in this sentence, enough is used to indicate sufficiency. And in this sentence, sorry, but I can't go with you. I don't have enough money for that. Enough in the sentence is used to mean less than sufficient.